Have you ever stared at a mountain of cash, unsure of what to do with it? Maybe it's a bonus, a tax refund, or that birthday money from grandma collecting dust. You know you should invest it, but where to even begin? Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, it's enough to make your head spin. Well, fear not, fellow financially curious friend. Because today, we're diving into the world of robo-advisors, specifically Betterment, a platform designed to make investing simple and accessible for everyone. So, how exactly do you use Betterment? Buckle up, because it's actually pretty straightforward. Step 1. Sign up and goal setting. First things first, head over to Betterment's website and create an account. It's a quick process, just some basic information like your name, email, and social security number. Once you're in, it's all about goal setting. What are you saving for? Retirement? A dream vacation to Fiji? A down payment on a house? Betterment tailors your investment strategy to your specific goals. They take into account your risk tolerance, how long you have until you need the money, and, poof, create a personalized portfolio. Step 2. Understanding your portfolio. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly am I investing in? Don't worry, Betterment doesn't just throw your money into a black hole. They use a variety of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to build your portfolio. Think of ETFs as baskets filled with different stocks and bonds. By using a mix of ETFs, Betterment spreads your risk out, which is a fancy way of saying they try to protect your money from market ups and downs. Betterment keeps things transparent, allowing you to see exactly what's in your portfolio and how it's performing. You can even adjust your risk tolerance if your goals or circumstances change. Step 3. Funding and automation. Alright, so you've got your goals set, your personalized portfolio is ready to go, now what? Funding. You can easily transfer money from your bank account to Betterment with a few clicks. Betterment even lets you set up automatic deposits, so you can pay yourself first without even thinking about it. Step 4. Sit back, relax, and let Betterment do its thing. That's it. The beauty of Betterment is that it takes care of the heavy lifting. They automatically rebalance your portfolio to keep it on track with your goals. They reinvest your dividends, which is like earning interest on your interest, pretty sweet, right? Betterment versus traditional investing. Now, some of you might be wondering, isn't this what a financial advisor does? Well, yes and no. Traditional advisors can be fantastic, but they often come with high fees and minimum investment requirements. Betterment offers a more affordable and accessible option, especially for those starting out with investing. Is Betterment right for you? Betterment is a great choice for anyone who wants to invest but feels overwhelmed by the traditional options. It's perfect for beginners, busy professionals, or anyone who wants a hands-off approach to growing their wealth. However, if you have a complex financial situation or require more personalized advice, a traditional advisor might be a better fit. The final word. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich quick, but with a little planning and the help of a platform like Betterment, you can reach your financial goals and build a brighter future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.